Breaking news. Monday morning at around 3:49 a.m. we were hit with a nuclear bomb. Our homes were completely destroyed. Not only are we suffering from this tragedy, but our plants seem to be going through the same pain. We will now go live with Amanda, who will go more depth of our issue.
Thank you, Elias. As you might have heard, the entire human population is devastated. We no longer have plants, and we are producing way more carbon dioxide than the ozone layer can handle. It is like global warming all over again. Cellular respiration is important because it absorbs infrared radiation. It helps to insulate the earth. It keeps lower atmosphere warm enough for life to exist. As you may know, humans have been artificially adding a significantly higher amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. We are doing this with the burning of fossil fuels. Some scientists believe that with more carbon dioxide, the earth will warm significantly. It is believed that carbon dioxide is causing global warming.
Thank you, Amanda. Now we'll go live with Brianna, Cornejo, and Reykjavik.
Thank you, Elias. There are two different types of cellular respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration is more efficient and can be utilized in the presence of oxygen, while anaerobic respiration does not require oxygen. There are 4 steps in aerobic respiration. The first step is glycolysis. Glycolysis literally means the breakdown of glucose. This step takes place in the cytoplasm. Molecules of glucose are broken down to yield 4 molecules of ATP. The second step is acetyl coenzyme A. This step occurs in the mitochondria. Pyruvate is converted to a 2-carbon acetyl group. The pyruvates combine with coenzyme A to produce acetyl coenzyme A. The next step is known as the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle also takes place in the mitochondria. Acetyl coenzyme A combines during the Krebs cycle oxaloacetate and forms citrate. The citrate then undergoes several conversion steps to form the following compounds: isocitrate, alpha-ketoglutarate, succinyl coenzyme A, succinate, fumarate, and malate. 1 molecule of GTP and 3 molecules of NADH and 1 molecule of FADH2 are produced. The GTP is then converted into ATP. The final step is the electron transport chain. This step uses NADH and FADH2 to generate ATP. The electron transport chain accomplishes the large production of ATP by pumping out the hydrogens from the NADH and the FADH2 to the inner membranes of the mitochondria. This creates an electrochemical proton. Chemical energy is then generated, and this energy is used to create energy in the form of ATP. Anaerobic respiration steps are less complicated. Anaerobic respiration starts the same way aerobic respiration does with glycolysis. It takes 1 glucose molecule and breaks it down into pyruvate and energy. This takes place in the cytoplasm. The last step is fermentation, which starts off with pyruvate and can lead into ethanol or lactate. CO2 is then released but does not make ATP. This cycle happens in the cytoplasm.
Alright, so we appreciate you guys tuning in. But we advise you that you stay indoors, because it seems to be all radiated out here.
Radiation. It helps. Thank you.
Dude, there's big words. I forgot to look them up. Stop it!